Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your cycle length to the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And after that, tap on the stats button down below, which is the second option indicated with this chart icon. Tap on cycles at the top of the screen, which is the first option, and click on tap to add in the cycle length section. So here you should indicate it on the map. And after that, tap on the save button down below in the right side corner of the screen. As you can see, it says add to logs. So here you can see your cycle length here. If you tap on the I button, you can read the general information about this definition and this phenomenon. So here you will be able to find it at this cycle length section, and as you scroll down, you can check out your cycle history. If you would like to, you can also edit it by tapping on the edit button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.